Hello guys. Thought I would do something a little bit different, so that it would mostly be a no talking video. Happy Valentine's Day for those of you that celebrated. I don't, obviously, because I'm single, but for those of you that do, hope you're enjoying yourselves. So just to fill you in on what happened to me a few days ago. So Sunday, I was in bed. It was about 4 in the morning. I turned in my sleep and stretched, and I felt something pop in my right calf. And it didn't hurt at the time, but all I said was, uh-oh. You know, like, I felt that. What the hell is that? So for the past couple of days, I've had to call off work. Today is my day off, but Sunday and Monday I didn't go to work. It's been difficult to kind of maneuver around on the right leg. Only the calf part is really tender. And if any of you guys know what that might have been, or have had it happen to you before, do tell of your experience. I am just at a point where I'm taking Advil, massaging. I've got a topical rub that I put on it, but I just wanted to get some movement on the leg. But there's a pinch in the calf when I walk, and if I don't walk too fast, I'm okay. There is a slight little limp. I'm trying not to go to the emergency room just yet. I want to see if this will heal, and if movement is, I want to exhaust everything I can here at home. But if you have any experience like that, leave it in the comments. Let me know. I want to try to go to work tomorrow, believe it or not, and see if I can soldier forth best way I can. Because I mean, it's fucking with my money. You know, I need to make money, but at the same time, feeling a pop sounds serious. Don't know if it really is, but I'll see how I feel, and I may just, take myself to the emergency room. But other than that, I feel fine. No shortness of breath or anything like that accompanying it, so I feel okay. And I figured since I was here, I'd make a little video for you guys. These beautiful cookies, I don't want to eat them now because I'm kind of full. Well, since it's packaging, and I'll just try them. And that, you guys, was just a cheeseburger and fries, and this is that Arizona sparkling grape lime drink. I went to some convenience store to get a couple things, and they had these chocolate chip cookies for $1.99. They looked really good. It's like 4 in a package, so I just want to try it out. I want to taste really good too. God, if only I had some milk. That is really good. And the woman said, they go quick. I can taste why. So, thank you guys. Again, if you have had any experience like that, where your calf popped in your sleep, leave me a message. Let me know what happened. Is it serious? Is it just going to take a little time to heal? Whatever you can contribute, I'd be grateful. And damn, you don't even need water for these. They're that good. Okay, I'm gonna go. Great seeing you guys, and I'll talk to you soon and keep you updated. Okay.